Okay, so let's make some peanut butter and jelly overnight oats. It's a wonderful plant-based breakfast. But let's talk about breakfast for a second. Did you know that it is the most skipped meal of the day? In fact, my patients say there are many barriers to breakfast, especially time and creativity. Well, this breakfast, this recipe will break those breakfast barriers. It's quick, it's portable, it's tasty, and it has all the macronutrients. It's got energy-producing carbohydrates, plant-based proteins, and even some healthy fats. It's a trifecta of nutrition goodness. And what's even better is I'm going to show you the recipe that's on our website, but I'm also going to give you some variations that might inspire you to make your own. So let's get started. I'm going to start out with our handy dandy mason jar. Now, I like these because they are, you can be able to look inside them. They do hold quite a bit and they're pretty, but you can use any container that you wish. And we're going to start with the base of our recipe with our ingredients. We have oatmeal, and you can use any oatmeal that you want. This is about it's 1/3 cup of oatmeal and 2/3 cup of milk. We're going to use regular old cow's milk, but you can use any milk that you wish. You can use soy milk, you can use oat milk, even almond milk. It's not a problem. And then we have about a tablespoon of chia seeds, and these are the powerhouse of the recipe. They contain omega-3 fatty acids, some fiber, and some protein. These really do all the work. We also add a little bit of honey, as well as some salt for some brightness. And the honey, if you want to eliminate that, you can do that if you want to make it vegan as well and switch it out to maybe 100% maple syrup or even agave nectar. So how we build this, we start out with our oatmeal, put that at the bottom, and then we go ahead and add our milk. And of course, that milk is going to give us some calcium and some additional protein. And then the chia seeds. Those chia seeds will soak up all the liquid and actually get a little gelatinous. And that thickness, what it does, is it actually makes the liquid itself be thick. And I'll show you how that looks like in a minute. Add about a little bit of honey for sweetness, like I said, and then just a pinch, literally a pinch of salt, not a lot. And that is it. It's quick, easy, and that, like I said, is the base of our recipe. So this is what actually goes in the refrigerator overnight. And if you notice how loose this is, after about an overnight sitting, it actually becomes like this with the magic of the refrigerator, nice and thick. Those chia seeds have done all the work. So in the morning, all you have to do is top it with our peanut butter and jelly. I have a tablespoon of peanut butter here, and you can use any nut butter you wish. You can use almond butter, sunflower butter, make it yours. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of, I used strawberry preserves, but of course you can use grape jelly, any jelly that you like. And that is it. You mix that up, and that is simple, easy peanut butter and jelly overnight oats. Super quick, super portable, and tasty. But what's great is since you have the base of it, you can create your own breakfast. You can make one for every day of the week if you want. What I do is I add about 1/2 cup of blueberries and I top that with walnuts. This is one of my go-to recipes. I love this. And then for my kids, I like to chop up some bananas, and then I even sprinkle on a little chocolate. Yes, the dietitian does say that you can have a little bit of chocolate with your breakfast. Why not? It's only a sprinkling. And they like it, and it gets them to eat breakfast. So that's a win as a mom. So for this recipe and more, check out our website at www.jtawellness.com. And on that note, I'm going to eat my breakfast. Bye for now.